the next morning. Last night when I got home, I just like took off my makeup and went to bed and everything. But this morning we walked over to this Ross that is seriously practically across from the hotel. And I got these cute sandals and a little t-shirt. And now we're packed in the car and we're heading to San Diego.
Don't deny it. Why don't we try it? Don't say we're gonna leave it all behind. I know you want me. This could be something. I hope you feel it too.
Oh my god, we made it. I just stepped out of the car and my legs feel crazy, but we made it. First looks at the hotel. It's nice. We are officially in San Diego now. We have made it. We have landed. This is the outfit I put on before we leave. It's just the same American Eagle jean shorts from yesterday, and then this top I got at Ross. Oh my gosh, let me catch up at what I have the time. I had a blast in Vegas. Besides all the topless women, I had a blast. Loved the bumping music. Stupid, you know when you say something and then you prove yourself wrong? And you're like, why did I say that? I used to always say I hated cities, like I'm not a city girl. It's because I've only ever been to Denver and Texas. Little strip in Vegas. This is the swimsuit I'm going to be wearing. It's just this black top and these white and black polka dot bottoms from Walmart. Actually, they were really not that expensive because we were going to the beach. I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the beach. This is what I ended up putting over my swimsuit to go to the beach and have nothing to eat. And I unpacked a little bit. We're heading out to the beach now. My first time ever at the beach. After we just walked the entire pier, we walked all the way down the entire thing. We came to this little like fish and chips restaurant things. I just got chicken and french fries.
Would you like some ketchup?
Yes, please.
I'm trying this coleslaw.
Oh, may I ask them if they know where to actually sit down today?
It's okay. I don't really want to eat that.
This one got no sauce has me. You want me to taste it?
Whatever this sauce is, really
Take a
good.
bite?
We're just walking after we ate our food.
At night, when the tide comes in, that's why this looks wet.